Ever wondered why people say bless you every time someone sneezes? Whether you're in a quiet office or a bustling street, sneezes are almost always followed by this phrase. But what's the origin of this custom, and why is it so common in cultures around the world? Ancient superstitions and the fear of illness. The practice of saying bless you goes back centuries, with roots in ancient superstitions. In many cultures, sneezing was believed to release evil spirits or even one's soul from the body. Saying bless you was meant to protect the sneezer from evil forces and ensure their soul stayed intact. Another popular belief is that the phrase originated during times of widespread disease, like the bubonic plague. People thought a sneeze might be the first symptom of serious illness, so bless you served as a quick prayer for good health and protection. The Pope's blessing. One of the most enduring theories about this custom points to Pope Gregory I, who reigned during the 6th century when the plague was devastating Europe. Pope Gregory urged people to say God bless you to anyone who sneezed as a form of quick prayer, hoping to protect people from the illness. Over time, bless you became a shortened version of the original blessing and spread widely as a form of politeness. A cultural custom passed down. Today, saying bless you is more of a polite reflex than a genuine act of spiritual protection. It's a common courtesy embedded in many languages and cultures, passed down from one generation to the next. Even if people don't associate sneezing with spirits or illness anymore, bless you remains a polite acknowledgement. Fun facts about sneezing etiquette worldwide. While English speakers say bless you, other cultures have their own phrases for sneezers. In Germany, people say Gesundheit, which means health, while in Arabic-speaking countries, it's common to say Yaramuk Allah, may God have mercy on you. Each of these phrases reflects a similar wish for health or blessing. In conclusion, the next time you say bless you after a sneeze, you're taking part in an ancient tradition rooted in health, superstition, and community. What started as a practice to guard against evil spirits and illness has become a global custom of kindness and courtesy.